Is your white gold starting to look unattractive? It's time to clean your jewelry and restore its beautiful white shimmer. First, ensure there are no loose gemstones or broken clasps. Next, mix 1 teaspoon of mild dishwashing liquid with 1 to 2 cups of warm water. Stir well. Avoid using a cleaning product with chlorine, bleach, or other harsh chemicals. Now soak your white gold in the cleaning solution for up to 30 minutes. You may add 3 to 4 drops of ammonia to the cleaning solution when cleaning very dirty white gold jewelry. Avoid soaking white gold jewelry with fragile gems like pearl or onyx. After around 30 minutes, remove your white gold jewelry from the soapy water. Next, mix baking soda with a small amount of water to form a thick paste. Gently scrub your white gold accessory with the baking soda paste using a soft-bristled toothbrush to reach tiny nooks and crevices. Finally, generously rinse with warm water. Keep washing your gold until there's no soap or baking soda paste residue. Pat dry and gently polish with a clean microfiber or cotton cloth. Now your white gold jewelry looks shiny and dazzling.